Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the May Lashy Box. So Lashy Box is a monthly subscriptions. They do have different terriers. When you sign up, I did get the regular full-size box. And when I signed up, it was the biggest box they had, and I think it is $12.95 a month. But now they have the extra large box, which is $24.95. I've thought about getting it and trying it, but I don't know. I've been really happy with this one. Normally we get they say you get 3 to 5 pairs of lashes. Normally we get 4, and normally 2 makeup items. And we always get lash glue. And then they have the drama box, which you get these really big lashes. Which I absolutely love. And then they have, and then you get makeup items with it. I'm not for sure about them prices. I can look them up for you guys. And then they have just the lash box where you get 3 to 5 pairs of lashes. In the big box, it does look like it would be a really good box. You get more products, bigger products. I've been thinking about giving it a try, but this, I did already slit it, so I didn't have to struggle. And I haven't seen no sneak peeks or anything like that. But they did have a Mother's Day box special they was doing too. Okay. So our first lashes is Aloha. Okay. And these are Premium 3D Flux Mink False Eyelashes. And Rose All Day is the name. They are really pretty. I do like them. They're not too big. They're for a day. You don't want to overdo your lashes. Maybe you have a meeting or something like that. They're really, really pretty. I really like them. And they got looks like they have a really good band on them. Not too flimsy, but not too big. And they feel really good. So I like them. Now I haven't tried none of the Aloha lashes. We did get 2 pairs of them. And this one is a Piney for your thoughts. A Finion for your thought. A Finion for your thought. Okay, so I like these. Let's take them out. Right here they are. I really like them. I like how they're longer and fuller than the other ones. I like the other ones, but I like them a little bit fuller. Today I'm wearing the Beauty Creations lashes. Okay, so we also got the 2 pairs of the Lashy Box lashes. They are 3D Flux Mink lashes. And this one is Wink. Let me take it out of the box so you can see a little bit better without a glare. Look, I love these. These are so me. Okay, so I absolutely love these. Now these will be something I love the design, the way they crisscross and stuff. That is something I wear a lot of. And the next ones are the Lashy Boxes too, and they are in Poppin'. And they are poppin'. So they're longer. They still got an angle to it. But I really like these. Now, I will wear these a lot. And I'll probably wear all of them a lot, really. Bigger lashes, I wear every day. Then the smaller lashes, I do if I'm having meetings or something like that. I'll wear a smaller lash so that I look more presentable. And as always, I think my glue leaked out. It was stuck to the box. So we got their glue. It's not very much in it left. It did leak out in the box. But that's okay. I never do use it. Okay, so this month we didn't get like 2 makeup items. We got one, and it is a eyeshadow palette. It is the Purple Flame 9-color eyeshadow palette, and it is by Rude. Here's the colors on the back. Now, I don't know. I think I've used Rude eyelashes before, but I don't know if I've ever used, like, their makeup. I do like it. I love the mirror. I love that. Okay, so we got 9 shades, and they are beautiful. Right here they are. I do have a lot of this color right here. It's like this blue, iridescent blue. Okay, so we're going to swatch these. They're really nice and creamy, and that blue, purple is like really gritty. How you doing? Buy you a drink. Check you out. See, I thought that would be like a problem. It can blend, you just gotta take a little extra time. On camera, it looks more browner. In person, you can see like more like purple to it. What's up, baby? Damn, you're hot. Girl. Nice girl like you. Call me. What's your poison? So I do like that, but it is called Purple Flame. Okay, so before, like, as soon as I seen it and I seen the name, I'm like, oh, yes, we got, like, purple eyeshadows. Like, oh, little thing. But we got, like, one true purple, and I don't know, like this one, and this. Here's our 2 purples. So, it should be called Makeup with an Attitude. It says right here on the mirror. I don't know. I don't think it should be called Purple Flame, okay? Really, I don't think it should be. Because it's not like it's really that truly purple. It's got like kind of 2 purple. It's got one true purple, and the other one's like a shifting purple. So I don't think like it should be called Purple Flame. They should have called it something else. It's got like 4 browns. Like brown. I don't know. That could be like a purplish brown. But then it's got brown, 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 and like a shimmer brown. So I don't know. Like a little bit purple, a little bit of purple, and a pink. Pink and purples go really good together. But I wouldn't have called it Purple Flame just because it's not truly purple. I don't know, because when I look at something, that's how I go by. Like, I was just really thinking that this was going to be like 9 purple shades in here. But, I haven't tried them, so I will and tell you guys what I think. Or maybe I'll do a video on them one day and tell you if they're any good or not. I do think I have tried, like, lashes maybe, like, in Lashy Box from Rude. But I've not ever tried none of their makeup. My allergies is killing me. All this grass pollen and all this stuff is like really getting to me. And I have came off my allergy medicine because I've taken it all my life and I am tired of taking it. So now I've switched to a neti pod so that I don't have to actually take like medication. I can just do a saline. And like, I think it's helping me better because I can tell right in here is like the swelling's going down and stuff like that. I think it's actually working better for me. But, I don't know. This month's box, I don't know. I don't really know much about the eyeshadow palette yet. it might be like my favorite. Who knows? I doubt it, but it might be. The lashes, I really did like the lashes. I will wear all of them. I don't know. I'm still debating about the eyeshadow palette. The name throws me off. And then, I don't know. That one purple, like the third one, I'm not really don't know. I do like that gold in that right there. So, I don't know how I feel. It's like half and half. We got like 5 items. So, if I was going to give it like a 5 out of 5, I'd probably give it like a 3 because that eyeshadow palette really just throws me off. I do love the lashes though. I'm really happy. I can't wait to try the Aloha lashes. And I know that I'm going to love the Lashy Box lashes because I use them all the time. But I guess that is it. And I hope you guys did like this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you will be notified when I do upload. And I guess that's it for today. I hope you guys have a good one. And I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.